What is up guys, it is LBCtechtherapy here, and today I'm back at you with my first unboxing on this channel. And that will of course be of the Skullcandy Crusher Wireless over-ear headphones. And what I've purchased here is of course the black version, because I really love the solid black, because they just looks sleek and they don't get anyone's attention. But if you want someone's attention, you can also get the white with the brown leather on the ear cups. They also look. And what Skullcandy claims that you'll get with these headphones is up to 40 hours of battery life. You get what they call stereo haptic bass, which should be an amazing experience when you wear them. You also get noise isolation, which helps you cancel out some of the noise, but not all of the noise like you do with most noise cancellation headphones. You get a built-in microphone, so you of course can also talk in the phone if you want to through the headphones themselves. You also get a call track and volume control, so you can also take calls and you can skip tracks and so on and so forth. They have a foldable design, which many other companies also have, and they come with a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. But well, let's get into the box. And first off, what you get is 1, 2, 3, and it says a bass you can feel. I'm looking forward to this. Well, yeah, up top here, first you get a little package with the accessories. It says accessories, and it also says enjoy. And what we got inside here is, I don't know what this really is. It looks like an auxiliary cable. I think it is. Looks dope. Then you of course get the charging cable, the micro USB charging cable to charge them up. And I think it takes around 2 or 3 hours to charge them to its fullest. And then you get of course 40 hours, which is amazing. And here you of course got the headphones themselves with the Skullcandy logo on the front here. And well, let's just get them out here. Wow, they look awesome. It's a very sleek looking pair of headphones. They're all black almost. You get a little gray logo here with the Skullcandy, but nothing that you'll see at all. On the right side you get volume up and down and the pause and play button, but also the take the call and hang up button. On the bottom here you get the auxiliary input and of course the micro USB charging input. And on the right side we also got the stereo haptic control up and down, and that is what I'm looking most forward to. But well, let's get them connected. We just couple them up to some Bluetooth, and now we'll do some sound testing here. We'll find some crazy shit here. Let's try them on. Wow, they really sound great already. And I haven't even turned up the bass at all. Whoa. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I haven't tried anything like this before. Wow. This is crazy. It just blows, like it blows air into your ears, like you're at a concert or something like that. Or you know, if you got a crazy subwoofer in your car and you just crank it all the way up, it's like that, just 4 times crazier. Everything is just vibrating when you're turning this up, and well, I'm glad I purchased these. And they also feel very great on your head with this foam inside the ear cups, and it completely blocks out the sound when you turn up the bass. You can't hear a thing. I couldn't even hear myself talking, and I bet I was talking a bit loud. There's of course also one test we gotta do, and that is of course the shaky head challenge of these headphones. So let's see how much they can handle. Let's go. Okay, they fell off as you can see, but they're holding up pretty well. But that was my little unboxing of the Skullcandy Crusher Wireless, and I can definitely say that you should try these out. For the price of only 100 or 110 bucks on Amazon, they're really worth the money. They feel good, they sound amazing, and they also pretty durable, I think. And then you get 40 hours of battery life. What more can you want from a pair of headphones? That was all from me. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Peace.